Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to apply for a job on ZipRecruiter. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. On ZipRecruiter, once you have applied for a job, you cannot unapply or withdraw your application directly from your account, whether you're using the website or mobile app. Applications cannot be withdrawn or deleted once submitted, and they are immediately sent to the employer. So what you can do is simply contact the employer directly. If the job listing includes contact info, email or call, simply call the employer to politely withdraw your application. Then you can also wait and ignore as well. If you haven't been contacted yet, you can simply ignore any responses. Then next is decline interview request. If contacted, respond with a polite message saying you like to withdraw from your consideration. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.